Well, the swans are still here. Look at their feet. Isn't this mad? This is so silly. So cumbersome. I know. Weird feet you have. But I mean, I guess they are very good for swimming. But for anything else. For walking, definitely not. Okay, well, that's enough swans, okay? You can just go on your merry swan way. And yeah, you get it. And what about you? You go too, please. Okay, that's enough. Take your big feet in the water, please. Okay? Like look, your partner is going away. Yeah. Good, good, good swan. Good swan. They don't care, do they? Okay. Guess it's harmless with its head in the water. So bye.